In this tutorial, we demonstrate how to identify a missing trusted peer certificate using the example of Microsoft Teams direct routing and how to add it using the Trusted Certificate Update service. You will need a valid software upgrade service, SUS, to allow anynode to retrieve certificates from the TE Systems community. In our example, we use a configuration with Microsoft Teams direct routing. You can find the trusted peer certificates in the Network Security Profile object in the Microsoft Teams direct routing node. Scroll down to the Digital Trust Register and view the list in the Trusted Peer Certificates table. Microsoft no longer signs its own certificates presented to any node during the establishment of a TLS connection using the Baltimore CyberTrust Root CA, but instead uses the DGCert Global Root CA. The transition to certificates issued by the new certification authority began in late August 2023. The final switch to the new certification authority, CA, was completed on October 3, 2023. All anynode customers using one or more Microsoft Teams direct routing trunks who are not using version 4.8 or have not manually installed the certificate should expect certificate verification errors and disrupted connections. The anynode Trusted Certificate Update service ensures that the additional DGCert certificate is added to the trusted list in the Teams node. If not, the user will receive a notification. Click on the object ID and view additional details by pressing the Show Changes button. You will then see an overview of the changes to be made. Pay attention to the Trusted Peer Certificates Adjustments section. If there is an entry under Action labeled New, it indicates the certificate that needs to be added. Finish the overview by clicking Close. Click on Apply Changes. Only the temporary configuration will be modified, allowing you to review the changes before committing them. As the system makes changes, you will lose write access. Click on Take Control or confirm the prompt to regain write access. Use Commit to finalize the changes. Congratulations! You have now learned all the essential aspects of the Trusted Certificate Update service.